It's my pleasure to welcome you all for having chosen to join Orchid.
It all began in 1992 when a young visionary, Raghavendra Rao, made the decision to set up his own company with three things in mind: trust, optimism, and belief in people. He named his company Orchid Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. That start has led us along a new path towards building a world-class organization. We took it one step at a time. What was once only an idea of a first-generation entrepreneur has evolved into a full-fledged pharmaceutical major with excellent competencies in active pharmaceutical ingredients, finished dosage forms, domestic formulations, as well as knowledge-driven drug discovery. Always paying attention to those three things: trust, optimism, and belief in people. This passion drives within us today and promises to carry us well into tomorrow. A first-generation entrepreneur's dream has been realized. But then, this is just the beginning. In 1992, we elected to be present in the cephalosporin niche of the antibiotic therapeutic segment and invested with a distinctive commitment in this space. Over the years, the company has been steadily moving to a higher technological platform, continuously upgrading and harnessing technology, and rapidly evolving into an integrated life science company with strong presence across the value chain, API, formulations and drug discovery. Our mother plant located at Alathur is one of the largest integrated antibiotic manufacturing complexes in India and specializes in the manufacture of the entire range of cephalosporin bulk actives, nutraceutical ingredients and formulations. Our API manufacturing complex in Aurangabad provides multi-therapeutic product offerings comprising high-end beta-lactams, carbapenems and non-penicillin, non-cephalosporin APIs. Our modern oral formulations manufacturing facility at Iringattu has modern infrastructure geared to manufacture various types of dosage forms such as oral tablets and capsules. Orchid Healthcare exclusively manufactures and supplies high-quality finished nutraceuticals. The facility produces a range of dietary supplements for the advanced markets. We recognize the importance of developing knowledge-intensive businesses as drivers of future growth. Through our Discovery subsidiary, Orchid Research Laboratories Limited, robust discovery and development platforms have been established. We have world-class R&D centers certified by the National GLP Authority of India for advanced chemical research and analytical development. Starting with just one product, cephalosporin, Orchid now has a wide range of products to its credit. Over time, we have grown into one of the largest integrated pharmaceutical infrastructures of the world, with over 4,000 employees engaged in the manufacturing and distribution of a wide range of products, spread across various therapeutic groups. With our global presence across 70+ countries through alliances and partnerships with global reputed corporates, Orchid leads the way in the pharmaceutical industry. We are making tomorrow's medicine today. Awards and accolades have been an important part of the Orchid success story.
This is a company which is just started by me and a few people, but with the support of all the people that have joined us later, so many firsts, so many positives, so many shining stars that we have got who have delivered tremendous amount of value for this company. We have been the first company in the country to produce 100 tons of cephalexin in the very first year of our operations. We were the first company to receive export award for our performance in the very first year of operations. No other company has been able to get that award. We were the first company to make cefuroxime. We were the first company to commercialize Afterglaxo. We were the first company to get cefoxitin approval from the country or from the world within a record time of 9 months of filing the ANDA. No injectable was ever taken into the bloodstream of a white man which was not produced in either Europe, America or Japan. Orchid was the first company to sell ceftriaxone in 2005, the first injectable antibiotic along with 2 other companies to be able to do that. Again, we were the first company to produce and sell cefepime hydrochloride with arginine for the American market in the world, not only out of India. For 10 years, we were setting up facilities in Aurangabad and other places. We were doing only 20, 30, 40, 50 crores turnover earlier. First time, Aurangabad has done more than 550 crores in 1 year, a record for any company in the very first year of getting all the approvals. We have got many firsts in patents. 6 years back, we didn't have a single patent. Now we have 644 patent applications. 183 of them are in the new chemical entities. We got 29 biological new chemical entity patent applied for. 280 process patents have been approved and granted by the US Patent Office. The achievements in terms of patents or products or sales and technology is just a number, is just an event. But what is underlying belief and core system of Orchid? What are we good at? We are very passionate. We have vision. We articulate. We innovate. We excel. We execute. We are having the togetherness to, in good times and bad times, to keep heads and shoulders together and come out of any difficulty and prove to the world that yes, a set of professionally qualified people can also come together and successfully run industries without being backed by multinationals or large business houses. This is the character or niyat of Orchid. Nobody can take that away from us.
Orchid is a company people can trust. For years we have developed high-quality pharmaceuticals. We accord the highest emphasis to quality, and it is given as much attention as innovation and value creation. Quality is our key competitive advantage. Here at Orchid, we give great importance to safety, and it is an integral part of the corporate culture. In association with DuPont, a global expert on safety regulations, a number of initiatives have been designed to ensure that all manufacturing processes and systems are executed in the safest manner. Right from inception, Orchid took care to incorporate the highest standards of environment friendliness to conserve ecological balance and ensure that all treated effluents are recovered and recycled back in a reusable form. Orchid is proud to be the first zero-discharge pharmaceutical company in India. As a global pharmaceutical corporation, our desire to cure extends beyond healthcare, spilling over to ills in the social and economic arenas. This sensitivity to the community-related issues has spurred us into creating a development trust, which has embarked on a variety of projects. Our community development agenda is derived from the belief that community benefits grow when industry, government and institutions work collaboratively. Our story is a story of people, while others try to convince with their brand names, modern corporate buildings and impressive statistics. we focus on people. This is the anatomy of our company. Talent management and talent transformation hold the key to Orchid's business development. The remarkable transformation over the years has been in no small measure due to the team efforts of the entire organization.
I still remember that day, 9 September 1994, when first time I met MD. He spoke about his vision. Then I took the call. Let's believe this person and let's join the company. After that one, every time I met him, I feel inspired. Actually, that is a very motivation for me to stay in this organization since last 17 years.
The difference is basically the culture.
This is an organization where you can enjoy the maximum emotional connect with what you are doing and also what the organization is doing.
More than anything, the organization works more as a family. It takes care of you in every way that is possible.
I think one of the best things about the Orchid is that it gives a lot of freedom for the individuals to work and perform.
Over and above that, the free hand the management gives you to work in all the work arenas, to know and learn the subject and deliver, that's something unique.
If you are really having an energy and enthusiasm, this is the best place for us. And that is what has taken me to the top level.
Any newcomer with the right talent and right attitude is going to grow in this organization and will be taken care in this organization.
What does anyone want in anybody's career? Job satisfaction? We have it. Proper working atmosphere? We have it. A leadership which mingles with the people and being part of one among all of you? We have it. We want growth, not a staid and laid back kind of an organization? We have it. We want a quality oriented organization which is differentiated and unique in many respects? We have it.
Going forward, the road is wide, the competition intense, but just as the orchid flower exudes an aura, we at Orchid hope to conquer many more milestones and be recognized as a class apart in the global pharmaceutical arena.
I also want 5 zeros in the company. I want 0 incidents. I want 0 pollution. I want 0 quality problems. I want 0 technological failures. And last but not the least, 0 negative attitude across anyone in this room or anywhere else.
At Orchid, we have a vision of enriching lives through innovation in healthcare. You are part of that vision. Help us to make it happen.
I like this organization very much.
I feel proud to be a part of this whole revolution.
I am proud to be Orchidian.
So, I want all of us to commit ourselves that we will stay in this organization, we will not leave any stone unturned, and we will together make this company a great company.